viewers, we have breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi has defended his Ganesh Puja celebration at the residence of Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. He says that the puja hurt the Congress and its ecosystem. So the Prime Minister responding over the criticism that came in over his presence at the CJI's residence. Let's listen in to what PM Modi said.
भाइयों और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
So that was the statement of the Prime Minister in Odisha, and Pragya joins us now. Pragya, put the PM statement into perspective. He has delved back into history and the colonial times as well, and he says that the Congress and its ecosystem are devastated by this puja.
Well, this is Prime Minister reply to all those who had criticized him attending CGI's Ganesh Chaturthi Puja. And in fact, the underlying point here, what Prime Minister is saying, that Congress and its ecosystem is against Hindu religion, Hindu tradition. And he is not just stopping at that. He has given a context to Ganesh Chaturthi and why it is celebrated such fanfare. And mind you, there is Maharashtra elections also, about to happen, and it is a poll-bound state as well. So this is a larger message to the people of Maharashtra as well, that Congress and its ecosystem has criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for attending Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival that has been celebrated especially in Maharashtra. And there is a backgrounder to it also, historical reference of Ganesh Chaturthi, when all the freedom fighters used to go together and used to strategize against Britishers in lieu of in garb of Ganesh Utsav. This is the point where they could invite everyone, say that this is a religious festival, but it is also an occasion to strategize against Britishers, and that is why this Ganesh Puja was celebrated across the country and not just in Maharashtra. This is the reference that Prime Minister used, and also drew a similar analogy between Britishers and Congress, that these are the people who are anti-India, these are the people who are anti-Hindu religion, and these are the people who do not want us to celebrate our tradition and culture and practice our faith. This is an attack on Congress and in its ecosystem ahead of Maharashtra elections. And not just that, Prime Minister would want everyone to know that Congress
Pragya, do hold on to that thought. We have Pramod Tiwari of the Congress joining us. Pramod Tiwari, the Prime Minister says your party and its ecosystem were enormously offended by this puja of the Prime Minister and CJI Chandrachud, because you also mirror the same sentiment and the same ideology of the colonial past of India, the imperialists, and the Ganesh Chaturthi is a blow to your party and its ecosystem. What do you say?
हमारी पार्टी, मैं खुद या कांग्रेस के बहुत से लोग गणेश चतुर्थी की पूजा में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेते हैं और उसको पूरे आदर, सम्मान और श्रद्धा के साथ मनाते हैं। बात प्रधानमंत्री जी को समझ में आनी चाहिए, या समझ के भी वो नहीं समझते हैं। क्या आप चीफ जस्टिस के यहाँ जाएं निजी कार्यक्रम में? वो पूजा पाठ कोई सार्वजनिक तो नहीं था, एक निजी कार्यक्रम था। उसमें जाके उसको जिस ढंग से प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने पब्लिसाइज कराया है वो उचित नहीं था। चीफ जस्टिस एक संवैधानिक पद पे आसीन व्यक्ति हैं। ये बड़ा पुराना एक एस्टेब्लिश सिद्धांत है कि न्याय सिर्फ होना ही नहीं चाहिए, दिखना भी चाहिए कि न्याय हुआ है। तो क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं प्रधानमंत्री? क्यों पब्लिसाइज जाते, पूजा पाठ करते चले आते? पीएमओ ने जान लगा दी कि इसकी पब्लिसिटी हम करेंगे। हमारी आपत्ति उस पब्लिसिटी पे।
आपको कोई ऐतराज है प्राइम मिनिस्टर गणेश चतुर्थी जो मना रहे हैं उसके साथ कोई ऐतराज है आपको, या आपका यही है कंटेंशन कि चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया को नहीं मनाना चाहिए?
दोनों बातें मैंने कही, शायद मेरे ख्याल से मैं कह नहीं पाया। उनके कार्यक्रम में जाने पर किसी को कोई ऐतराज नहीं है, मुझे तो नहीं है कम से कम। गणेश चतुर्थी की पूजा में जाना चाहिए अगर कहीं आप आमंत्रित हैं, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में आज जब चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के यहाँ जा रहे हैं और एक निजी कार्यक्रम में उनके और उनकी पत्नी के बीच में खड़े होकर जिस तरह फोटो की पब्लिसिटी कर रहे हैं, आप देश में क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं? क्यों पब्लिसिटी हुई? पूजा पाठ कोई पब्लिसिटी का विषय तो नहीं, लेकिन शौक है मोदी जी को। अगर कंदरा में भी जाएंगे, केदारनाथ भी जाएंगे, तो उसके 4-6 कैमरे लगवा के जाएंगे। हमें पब्लिसिटी पार्ट पे एतराज है कि चीफ जस्टिस के ऑफिस को इस तरह पब्लिसिटी में नहीं उतारना चाहिए।
Okay.
और
all right, Pramod Tiwari says the Congress is opposed to these public celebrations or seeking publicity via these observances, these Hindu observances. They do not seem to have a problem per se with the Prime Minister marking Ganesh Chaturthi. That's Pramod Tiwari. Let's listen in also to Manikam Tagore, who's joining us now. Mr. Manikam Tagore, the Prime Minister has likened your party to the Britishers and says just how the Britishers were, or rather objected to Ganesh Chaturthi, now it is the Congress and its ecosystem's turn.
We can just laugh at it and we can say that at 74 years, today it is his birthday, he is not stopping his lies and imaginary stories. Mr. Prime Minister he is now 74 and he should behave like a senior citizen and he should speak truth to the country also. Nobody is opposing Ganesh Chaturthi. We all celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi and we are all proud to celebrate all the festivals of our religion. But the way executive and the judiciary getting together in a private function is never happened in Indian history. India, 75 years of independent India, this has never happened. No Prime Minister has walked into the Chief Justice of India's private house and celebrated some private function and gave a video or a photograph of it for publicity.
But Mr. Manikam Tagore, I mean, even during Manmohan Singh's tenure, he had also had an iftar party along with the then sitting Chief Justice of India. Aren't they essentially the same situation?
No, my dear, you have to be you have to read and do research. This is when I told you very clearly that Prime Minister has not walked into the Chief Justice of India's residence. This was the reverse thing. Prime Ministers usually, before 2014, Prime Ministers of India usually host iftar and other Diwali Milan parties. In that parties, Chief Justice and Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice President of India, and all other three opposition leaders will be invited. Therefore, let us stop that thing. In that
I mean, you are talking about homes. I'm sure, know that during Ganesh Chaturthi, people have the Ganesh idol at their homes. They invite people over. Do you not think you're overblowing this?
Hear me out, my dear. Hello?
All right. Yeah, Manikam Tagore, go on quickly, please.
Please, here, allow me to speak. You are interfering. When I am saying to you, you are historically and without research you are speaking. In that function.
All right, Manikam Tagore, do stay with us. We've heard your point. Do not think we haven't. We've heard your point. Let's listen in once more to what the Prime Minister has said.
भाई और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
So those were the Prime Minister's remarks, and we've already heard the Congress leaders. That face-off is set to escalate. Viewers, we are slipping into a short break now, but news and updates continue on the other side. Stay with us.